Hi everyone. So this is probably going to be the worst podcast I've ever listened to in my entire life. Even when I was question listen, this is the worst podcast I'm going to ever do because it's my first one, right? And I'm doing this by 10:41 p.m. at night in my bedroom, sits down in the chair, and my brother is sleeping. So what am I going to be discussing today in this podcast? What am I going to be saying all about this thing? I don't actually have a topic to say. That's just going to be the worst. But I'm going to do everything to make sure that you learn one or two things because you're giving me your attention and I have to pay you for that attention, right? So I'm just going to summarize everything I do. So whenever I come across my post, you know I'm what to expect. One, I post about affiliate marketing. Two, I post about productivity and mindset. Three, I post about content creation, copywriting. Four, lifestyle. Five, shit, I forgot the fifth one. AI, right? Mm, Gosh, I need to get a structure when creating this type of video. I have no structure. This is bad. Mm, okay, I think that's all for now. Sorry about being creating the worst content in your ears. But continue to join Big Market Smart on Nathan.